Namaste. Welcome to Namaste Hindi. In the previous videos, we have learned I'm eating pasta. A female would say मैं पास्ता खा रही हूँ. Question sentences. Are we going to the park? क्या हम पार्क जा रहे हैं? WH questions. What are you doing? आप क्या कर रहे हैं? Today we are gonna learn about to be is MR sentences. I in Hindi is मैं. Am in Hindi is हूँ. Verb plus ing is equal to verb in Hindi plus rahi for female and raha for male. So the ing in Hindi for I sentences, rahi is for female and raha for male. An object in Hindi it would be same object. But in English, if we are not saying verb plus ing, in Hindi it's same. We are not saying verb plus rahi or raha. So it's just I am and an object, or I mean it can be an adjective or a noun. So in English, if you're saying I am a teacher, in Hindi it would be मैं teacher हूँ, and it works for both gender. Simple, right? There are no articles like a and the in Hindi, but in Hindi, a, which is one in Hindi, is ek. So in this sentence, I am a teacher. In Hindi, you can also say मैं एक teacher हूँ. But unlike English, it's kind of optional in Hindi. Saying teacher as in teacher is very common. So it's same for male and female like in English. But in Hindi, a female teacher would be shikshika or adhyapika.
मेल टीचर शिक्षक और अध्यापक.
But again, you can say teacher as in teacher. That's totally fine. Let's look at some more sentences with I am. A sentence about a profession. For example, I am a student. In Hindi it would be मैं student हूँ. A sentence with a noun. For example, I am, and then you can place your name. So for here I'm saying my name. It would be I am Prerna. In Hindi it would be मैं प्रेरणा हूँ. In Hindi, name is naam. A sentence with an emotion. I am happy. In Hindi, it would be मैं खुश हूँ. Let's do some sentences with we. We are students. In Hindi, it would be हम students हैं. A sentence with a noun. We are human. हम इंसान हैं. We are happy. हम खुश हैं. Third person singular. Remember this table? We have learned this in detail in our previous videos. So here is a quick review. In Hindi, he, she, it, this. For near distance, we say ye. He, she, it, that. For far distance, we say wo. Let's apply this rule with these sentences. She is sentences. She is a teacher. If you are talking about near distance, you can say ये टीचर हैं. For far distance, वो टीचर हैं. She is Meena. ये और वो मीना है. She is happy. For near distance, ये खुश हैं. For far distance, वो खुश हैं.
He is sentences. He is a teacher. For near distance, we'll say ये teacher है. For far distance, it would be वो teacher है. He is Rohan. ये और वो रोहन है. He is happy. ये और वो खुश हैं.
They are sentences. They are teachers. ये teachers हैं. Or you can also say वो teachers हैं. They are Americans. ये और वो अमरीकी है. Or you can also say ये और वो अमेरिकन्स है। They are sad. ये दुखी हैं for near distance और वो दुखी हैं for far distance. Negative sentences. I'm not a doctor. मैं डॉक्टर नहीं हूँ. He is not a dancer. For near distance, ये dancer नहीं है. And for far distance, वो dancer नहीं है. She is not sad. ये और वो दुखी नहीं है. To be question sentences. Are you a Hindi teacher? क्या आप हिंदी टीचर हैं? Are you busy? क्या आप busy हैं? Busy in Hindi व्यस्त, so you can also say क्या आप व्यस्त हैं? Is she Riya? क्या वो रिया है? Riya is the name of a girl. WH question sentences. Let's look at some WH question sentences. In English, who are you? In Hindi would be आप कौन हैं? Where is dad? पापा कहाँ हैं? When is the wedding? शादी कब है?
Question and answer.
सवाल और जवाब.
Try to fill in the question marks on screen to see how much you've learned.
I am a basketball player. मैं एक बास्केटबॉल खिलाड़ी हूँ. John is not happy. John खुश नहीं है. She is a manager. वो एक मैनेजर है. Is she okay? क्या वो ठीक है? In Hindi, okay means ठीक है. Is this a comedy show? क्या ये कॉमेडी शो है? Are you happy? क्या आप खुश हैं? Who is she? वो कौन है? Where are you? आप कहाँ हैं? When is the meeting? Meeting कब है?
And that's all the practice for today. Great job!
Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Namaste.